friends, welcome to another episode of Keeping Up with the Kittens. This is my kitten room and my name is Jen. I wanted to start the evening by highlighting one of our cats in here. She's our mama cat. So this is Bree. She is mom to Sterling and Hazel's over there. But she is also going to be in our adoption program. She's not ready for adoption yet. She still needs to be spayed. But they've had their vaccinations. She'll be microchipped when she's spayed. But she is well on her way, and she is a sweetheart. When she first came here, she was very skittish, but she loves to get nuzzled on. She tells me good morning every morning when I come in the room, so she's super laid back. You don't see her a lot in the scenes when we have our live episodes because she's usually sitting in the windowsill. She's very laid back. She just likes to sit and watch. I think she'd do well with the dogs or other cats. When I've done intros, she's been fine with the cats. My cat's walking around outside. She's been fine with the dogs walking around outside. But she's super laid back. So I wanted to kind of just highlight her for a little bit before we get started on the kittens. So you can see her talking. One of the things that we want to do with her is that's in the plan is to get her spayed. And sometimes I wonder if that call, because it's a different call, like she's not calling for her kittens, sometimes they go into heat early. And so believe it or not, after they have a litter of kittens, they can go back into heat within weeks and then have another litter of kittens. And so it's really important that when people find litters of kittens outside or they're worried about their community cats, to get those cats spayed as quickly as possible. These kittens, they can start reproducing. I've heard of them reproducing as soon as 4 months old. So don't wait on getting your animals spayed or neutered. So you want to keep those guys healthy. Though I think she's going into maybe kind of an early kind of heat thing. So she's going to be much healthier, much happier when she's not stressed with all that other stuff working on. But I will get out of camera and let these guys play. I set up their flower that they got introduced to yesterday. I put some Easter eggs out here for them to go hunting for. I put some different things in there. There's catnip, there's pennies, there's some of their pine litter in there. It's a different type of litter that I use. So it gives them different weights and they rattle and make different noises, so they'll have fun with those. So let me adjust the camera back to where we can see more of them. And we will sit back and watch what they do. If you have any questions, any comments, anything at all, put those down in the comments. Give us some thumbs up, share it with your friends so that we know that you're there. Say hello. If you are just now joining us, this is our live Facebook episode of Keeping Up with the Kittens. This is my kitten room where I currently have 5 kittens in here that I am fostering for Houston Pets Alive. I also have their mama cat Bree. You can probably hear her chirping in the background. She's really talkative today for some reason. But they're just playing. I gave them some Easter eggs and filled with different things that will rattle and move around, so they're having fun with those. If while y'all are watching you have any questions or comments about the kittens, y'all can leave them down below. Be sure to share this with your friends or give it some likes so that we know that you're here. Say hello. We'll be doing this every evening at 7 o'clock so everyone can kind of take a break and watch some kitten fun. They're enjoying some new Easter egg enrichment that I added to the room. I put some, just the plastic Easter eggs out and added some different things to it. I had put catnip in a couple of them, some of their pine pellets in another one. I'm actually put some food in one of them, so they're having fun chasing those things around. So they're named in here Jerome. So the one right there on the cat, the little 3-post cat tree, that's Hazel. She's our tortie. The orange and white one is Jet. There's the brown and white tabby in the back is Hopper. Sterling is the big gray guy. And then the little gray and white one that just went into frame, that is Chloe. So they will all be shortly available for adoption. They still need to have their spay and neuter surgeries done. And hopefully that'll get done next week. And then they'll have a couple days to heal and then we'll be ready. But right now they're just having fun and getting big and healthy and waiting for that surgery date. But with all of our kittens and cats, they all come spayed or neutered. They have all of their vaccinations. Our typical cat, our kittens have 2 FVRCPs, which are their just normal cat vaccinations. Rabies vaccination, they are dewormed, they are microchipped, flea treatment. So they are ready to go from the day that you adopt them until next year for them to get their vaccinations done again. So it's a really good deal. Adoption fee is $75. So the way that works is that you will visit our website and that will show you all the available cats and kittens that we have. You will submit an application. Our adoption team will look over that and approve it. Once that's done, and if you have a kitten or cat in mind, you can set up a meet and greet with that foster. We do have some still at our pet stores. I don't remember all of them. I want to say it's PetSmart, Copperfield, Dunville, and there's one other one that I'm forgetting right now. It'll come to me. But we still do have some cats in those pet stores and then all of our fosters. But the ones that are available are on our website. So once you have a meet and greet and you fall in love, you sign the adoption contract, pay the adoption fee, and you have a new family member. So we have about a minute or two until we end for the evening. If y'all have any comments, put them down below. Make sure you like and share this with your friends if you're just now catching this on repeat. We are going to be having a virtual dog adoption again this weekend. Last weekend was really successful for our dog team. I believe they had 13 dog adoptions. And so the way that they're working that, as far as I understand, is that they will be doing Facebook Lives on the dogs that they have there at the HPA facility on Antone. You will fill out an application. They will approve the application. You set up a meet and greet. They're doing virtual meet and greets as well. And then as long as everything goes according to plan, you will have a new family member. But make sure if you go onto our website or on the Facebook page, it does have the directions of like what you should follow, and there are steps to follow. They've been adopting out the dogs pretty quickly from what I understand. So you may have your heart set on one, and then if you wait until 6 o'clock, it may be adopted. So make sure you check on the website to see what dogs we have available. I'm not sure if not all of them are going to be there, but there's going to be several there. And so check it out and see if you are in the market to add a new dog to your family or puppy. They will be doing that Saturday and Sunday, I believe. So I don't know about y'all, but I think the eggs were a hit. So I'm glad I picked those up and did those. So we've been working on kind of showing you different types of enrichment that you can do for your cats and kittens. And I had done this a few years ago, and that litter didn't seem to like them, but these guys are really enjoying them, I think. So it was a success. So it looks like that's going to be wrapping it up for the evening. I hope y'all enjoyed, and we will see y'all tomorrow evening.